Yo, what's going on, fam? Hope you guys are having a good night, man. We're chilling tonight. We are just doing kind of a late night stream, I guess. I don't know. Just thought I would go over this price action that's got going on. We got essentially some crazy market. The charts are looking crazy, man. They're looking red right now, and so we got some token burn. At least good news, So I wanted to hit over that. I saw ECOMI actually just tweeted that, so ironically I was actually going to cover that real quick. I think people are actually tuning into the chart as I can see on my screen, so that's kind of cool too. So might as well just go live, right? Let me go ahead and tweet this bad boy out, and yeah, let's get the ball rolling, guys. Hope you guys are having a good night, man. Let me know what's going on. You late night streaming peeps, hope you guys are doing good. Yo, what's up, Deiji? Hope you're having a good day, good night, depending on what part of the world you are from, man. Yeah, man, so we got some token burn going on, man. We got essentially, according to Puddin Cheeks here, we have a record-breaking 1 million USD. Love the content, says JP. Hey, man, appreciate that. How long do you think OMI will go? I'm just holding. I bought it at 0.003. That's a pretty good price to buy at. I don't think it's gonna go too much farther, in my opinion. It just seems like people are overextended. Crypto Casio Cortez even said that. It just seems that this is Bitcoin, by the way. This is not OMI. This is Bitcoin. Tether, essentially on Binance. So, man, so it bounced like it was gonna bounce back up, and then now it's like in this. It wasn't a price channel, and then you had like a lower low here, and then broke down essentially where it's at now, obviously. So it's at the 50k level. It broke below 50k. That's not good, but it's hanging above 50k, so that's pretty strong. So the whales are trying to hold it. Looks like above 50k. Short sell. The longs are getting squeezed here. I don't know what's gonna go on. I don't know what's happening, guys, but it is making the whole market turn red. That's for sure. So look at the altcoins, man. Goes to show you how big the king is. When the king's pumping, coins are pumping too. But when the king's falling, man, these alts are falling too. This is kind of reminiscent of times of old when Bitcoin and alts were pegged like off of each other, and it's kind of super annoying, to be honest, because actually I think it was the other way around. I think it was like what Bitcoin, the altcoin market would do the opposite. So I don't know. This is kind of curious to see this all happen. But hey, Mr. Don Hyen, what's going on, man? First like, appreciate it. What's up, peeps? Another discount day? Yeah, exactly. PK random, hold all your coins or buy this temporary dip for sure. What's up, bro? I think Uniswap thing mess up our momentum, bro. We need an incredible announcement to bring us back, or it will be hard to regain respect. Yeah, I think I heard them talking about Alcon and David and Dan all hopping on doing a community announcement. So I think that would be very cool. So hopefully they got some big news. I know they do. We have some huge speculation. I don't know if I'm supposed to share this, but we might share it, man. I don't know. I'm gonna chat the guy. All right, I just chatted the guy that actually found it, and yeah. So I found a kind of a leak, or he found a leak, I mean, rather, and he shared it with me. So I want to see if that's all right if we share this leak, man. It's kind of crazy, by the way. So, anyways, let me get the chat back here. Man, we got kind of a lot of people tuning in right now. Feel sad you didn't notice my drawing I made for you. Reslone, if you're in the Discord, man, you can get it straight to me. I'm in Discord all day. I got the Discord. I'll actually pop the link if I can find it real quick. Actually, I just shoot y'all a temporary link over. Okay, yeah, we'll just pop it in the chat. Alright, so yeah, in my Discord, man, fire away, man, fire away, join the Discord. Crypto Keeper, what's going on, man? Man, you used to join my streams like every day. What happened, Crypto Keeper, man? You ran off on me. No, I'm just playing. Alright, yes. Let's go ahead and jump in the charts real quick. Obviously, we got Bitcoin just looking like a turd right now. Kind of crapping the bed a little bit. Let's check out the OMI price. I think it's at actually pop the Discord. 0.0059 right now. Here we are on the chart. So it's doing like kind of the same thing. It's a terrible chart, by the way. Let me pull up the actual chart. Man, Bitcoin's kind of pumping a little bit above 50K, so that's better than not, you know what I'm saying? I look like a hacker with the lights all turned off too. I'm just doing this, you know, trying to keep it OG on the stream, keep dark mode, you know what I'm saying? That's on Twitter, your 1K celebration. Oh shoot, man. Yeah, get me that. Is your handle Resalone on Twitter as well? Dude, yeah, I appreciate that, man. I'm definitely gonna look that up. Taxing 80% over 1 million profit. That's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy, man. That is nuts. About to move to Puerto Rico if that happens. We're gonna see a 10 penny price. Alright, so yeah, well, let's get into this here though. As you can see, man, it's dipping down. I thought it was gonna, like, it looked like we might have something here, but just the fact that the king, you know, aka Bitcoin, is taking a dump right now. It's taking a dump on all over us, and so obviously the price is coinciding with the price action of Bitcoin. So it is what it is. Maybe whales are taking profits finally. I don't know. We'll see. Let me see on the. Let's see how stocks are. Stonks. These are stonks right here. But we have the X, aka S&P 500, kind of down today, man. Everything's down. Oh, the Nasdaq's down. Nasdaq's down a little bit. Relative, you know, this is a 2-hour chart, so it's all relative, right? But it is down. This is something to note. 24-hour period is down a little bit. I don't know. Maybe people are. Who knows, man? Gotta go. Need some sleep. Hey, Reslone, please check it out. Okay, I will, man. I will. You need to join the Discord, man. Matter of fact, all y'all need to hop in there and chill. Come chill, man. That's where we're all hiding in there, man. We're hiding in Discord. Beavers, what's up, man? I decided to buy into Dash during this dip and it crashed as well. Yeah, doesn't look like there's much going on in crypto right now. Like everything's pretty much red. But nice little dip, you know. It could turn into a nice, you know. Usually when it does this, by tomorrow it's like already rebounded. Usually the case, especially like 24-hour, like increasing that much 24-hour period. You know, usually, you know, next day it's like rebounded by then. So I don't really see this being down maybe that long. I mean, if it is, maybe we're looking at a bear market. So back to the tokenomics, man. Pudding Cheeks updated, been updating finally, and so that's good. So we're back on track there. He says, you know, 1 million USD in secondary market sales today, man. That's a lot. resulting in 25k USD, aka or 2.5% worth of OMI burns. Quite a bit of OMI burn. Well, it's not a ton. That's 1 million in USD in transaction. So that's pretty insane, man. We're just getting heated up. I always miss the actual dip. Well, there you go, man. You either hodl or just wait for these dip opportunities. That's like for real a dip. But you know, it's in a trend, man. It's in a downward trend as far as OMI goes. Take a look at that kind of spot. This, you know, obviously you can chart a trend pattern. So it looks like it's trying to, it bounced here. So back a little. Bounced off of that, and maybe once it breaks above this top trend line here, then it can kind of be considered a confirmed trend line break of the, you know, start going hopefully in the other direction. There's a lot to trading that, you know, a lot of people, you know, you should learn investing over time. You'll learn these patterns and learn this kind of trend. Basic stuff like this, man. The trend is your friend, as they say in the trading world. So yeah, there's that, man. Make sure you capitalize on those dips. Bear market is creeping on us. Hey, man, we're trying to get OMI, you know, to be that bear spray, as somebody said on Twitter. So yeah, man, these tokenomics are looking good. As far as the ECOMI side, man, the ECOMI team, I can't believe 1 million. You haven't even hit. Everybody hasn't even been added to marketplaces yet, not that I know of. So I don't know when they're gonna do, you know, that final update on the marketplace, because that's intense, man. 250,000 users marketplace. Even if you discount that to inactive users, that's still a lot of users, man, and it's gonna grow exponential. So that's just pretty insane right here. So that's pretty cool to look at that. And this guy right here made a cool token tracker sheet just based off of Pudding Cheeks crypto sheet. So he said, Jesus Gonzalez says, how many days will it take to reach 5 billion OMI burn? Approximately 35 days while keeping the current burning rate. So yeah, let's see. This is cool, man. This is an actual like page. Filter burn gola. But this is cool, man. I don't know if this automatically updates. I might tweet him and ask, but this is a pretty cool thing he made. So it says approximately 35 days. How long it took for 5 billion current rate. So that's pretty insane, man. 5 billion. That's a lot of token, man, and just a little over a month. What do you guys think, man? What do you guys think? I gotta go to bed. Good stuff as always, dude. I'll come back to watch the rest. This burn page is dope. I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, it's pretty sick, man. Seavers, we need to hop on a chat and chill sometime too, man. And yeah, we need to have you on the channel sometime soon. So yeah, man, this is a pretty cool token tracker sheet. Also, don't forget about the token.vv.me, where it shows the balances of all 3 wallets. So the reserve, vault, and burn wallet balance. That's where you can keep up to date with that. You can check it out. You can find all these links, by the way, on this master, ultra master sheet here. That's all the links. So if you're new to VeVe or ECOMI, you can just head over to the actually it's in the description below, and essentially you can find this in the description of this video. All right, guys, man, that's all I wanted to hop on and just kind of say what's going on. Looks like it's already popping back up above 6.006. So we'll see, man. It looks like people might be buying that dip a little bit, but you can see a lot of buy volume. We're at 107. 30 minutes ago. 107 million trade volume. This massive, red candle. So, and my guess tomorrow is that this thing, usually when you see a sharp dip like that, it usually bounces and equalizes around the level that it started. So it might take a couple of days, or actually this is a 30-minute chart. While I was thinking day chart, so pull back day chart. A lot of red right here, man. A lot of red. So like I said, usually on a good project, a good ticker, solid project, this thing usually bounces back. So I'm not too worried, man. Not too worried about the long term at all. If this does continue to downtrend, like I was showing you guys on the 30-minute chart, you might as well accumulate, man. Don't be stressing. Just treat it like a long-term project. There's no reason to just get super overexcited. Treat it like Safe Moon and try to expect overnight, gains next day. So this is a long-term project, guys, and it's got long-term rewards, for those of you guys that are gonna stick with it. What's up, brother? How you doing in this big dip, man? I bought like way back here. I think I bought another bag right either right here, or like, actually I might have bought a bag, got a couple bags, not like big bags, like small bags. I mean, so like in one of these dips, I'm a good dip buyer. Actually, I'm a pretty good dip buyer. Sometimes I'm too patient, sometimes I wait too long, or I'm too conservative and stuff, but I'm actually really good at sniping dip buys. Like, if I wait for the trend, man, I follow the trend. Everybody was saying this is a cup and handle. I was saying, yeah, it's a cup and handle, but it could break down. And I was like one of the few dudes that said that this could break down. Kind of did. I didn't think it was gonna break down below this level of support, though. I'm not gonna lie. I thought, I said let's wait and see, and it broke down. That's why, man. You gotta wait for this thing to start turning around, going for that cup and handle pattern. So, anyways, that's all about that, man. That's all about that. We already covered all the news earlier today. Speculation. Got that Gary V speculation still going, still pumping strong. I'm trying to transfer from Cash App, but it's taking forever. What are you trying to transfer, man? You trying to transfer that crypto? Because I know they unlocked that Bitcoin. You can transfer out now finally, so that's cool. Kyle's on live. What the heck? Yo, Justin, man. Justin's everywhere, man. You're a OMI addict too, man. Don't lie. I've seen Justin on like just about everybody's stream. So I seen him on Butt stream, I think it was, and then Staying Alphas, my stream, man. So I see you everywhere. I see you. Yeah, I transfer BTC to Bit4x, says Poor Man Printing. Oh, I gotcha. Man, I'm kind of weird about that. I don't know if I like to directly transfer to Bit4x for some reason. I like to like move it around a couple places first and then transfer, but I don't know, maybe I'm just being weird. I keep buying OMI on the dip. I'm tired. Yeah, man, but it's gonna be well worth it, man. It's gonna be well worth it. So, and appreciate all you guys for tuning in, by the way. Thanks for everybody joining in. I'm tired. You're making me tired talking about being tired. I'm actually tired. That's why I'm kind of like just chilling tonight. Let's see what we got peeps on Twitter saying real quick. Sometimes we can catch some news updating like on the fly. No, I don't think we have any news from ECOMI. I think they just literally retweeted this as I was going live, essentially. So I think that's pretty much it, man. Make sure you guys hop in the Discord, man. Oh shoot, I forgot that why doesn't your going live tweet include a link to the stream? Danny one, I don't know, man. I don't know. I gotta ask so many questions. Kidding. Okay, cool. Well, let's cover some speculation, man. Then Vicious Sasquatch says we could do it, man. Hopefully people in chat can snoop around more. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and cover this then, man. Let's go ahead and cover this. Thank you for sticking around, by the way, guys, because I got something special for you guys. All right. Yo, man. So we had Kyle and coffee every morning. That's right, baby. That's right, Beto G. Appreciate you. Kyle and coffee every morning. Okay, cool. It comes in first on my stream, and then it shows up on Google or whatever, YouTube. What up, Kyle? What up, Cameron? What's going on, man? Hope you're doing good. Yo, look at this, guys. This is insane. And you know, like all the YouTubers, like tomorrow are gonna be pretending like they found it. You know what I'm saying? But this is from Sasquatch in the Discord, man. Like I said, y'all are free to join the Discord, man. In the Discord, you find cool stuff like that. We actually have a channel inside the Discord just for stuff like this. So make sure you guys hop in there. But yeah, man, look at this. We found this suspicious Sasquatch was finding this, man, where you can go into the marketplace. You can go to the filter area, and I guess essentially what was happening is you could search like hashtag FIFA, man, and it would pull up in the system an actual like already pre-selected field like this one right here. So for example, I don't know if you guys can see it. Hey chat, hey Crazy Eyes 2010 Music, what's going on? Doing well, man. Get a chance to check out the Van Cat token I was telling you about, man. No, I have not, man. I'm sorry. I just got you know, so many people telling me to check out stuff and people emailing too, and you know, it's a lot of work just to stay up to date with a couple projects or one or two of them. Sweet. All right, guys. So I'm in the marketplace. Okay, I've lost some bids here, but I can go to browse all right there, and it pulls up, you know, it pulls up the browser, right? Then you click on filter right there. All right, now it pulls up this box, right, like you see on the screen. So it says sort by recommended, and go to, it actually says search bar. I don't know if you guys can get that really. It says type of brand, collectible, or category. Alright, well let's do hashtag, I don't know. Let's just get crazy with it. We'll just type in Disney. Alright, so now it populates like right here. So it populates Disney, as you can see. So I typed in hashtag Disney, capital D, and it popped up this Disney tag. So it's already like done for me. So I don't, this is kind of crazy, man. This is there, and then you click on it and it creates that bubble. And now I can apply that. Of course, they don't have any Disney like you know, obviously it's not gonna populate the result. They don't have anything loaded in by Disney just yet. But isn't that crazy, man? Isn't that crazy? So as you on the screen, man, you can see you type it in here, you type in like hashtag FIFA or hashtag Marvel, and it like pre-populates a hashtag right there. You click on it, it adds it down here, and then you can click apply filters and sort it. This is right built into the marketplace, man. So I don't know if this was like a coding thing that they forgot to like code out of the marketplace. Like I said, they closed. I mean, they're working on the marketplace as we speak, and so, man, isn't that crazy? And there's like brands. You got hashtag Capcom, hashtag Marvel, hashtag Disney, hashtag FIFA, hashtag NFL, hashtag NBA, and things like that. Isn't that crazy, guys? Am I the only one that thinks that's insane? this crazy fine, this crazy like quote unquote leak, you know, if you will. Yeah, man, it's insane to me. So no worries, man. They're releasing an app tomorrow at 5. Crazy, man. What app are you talking about? Testing my diamond hands. You're talking about the Van Cat thing. What is Van Cat, by the way? Think size threat at top slot. Here, I play airsoft. Yo, that's pretty dope. I used to play paintball all the time. Playing with that yesterday, last night. Just dead. Oh yeah, so you were playing with this right here on the app? Yeah, that's insane, man. That could be huge, man. If this is, we kind of already know like Marvel, Disney is a pretty good possibility, you know, as far as like the brand, like they own Marvel, right? So that is because once they announce Marvel, it confirms Disney too, and I think, you know, obviously VeVe obviously knows that, we all know that, and Disney knows that, and so that's probably why they're on crazy. Oh, guys, I got something else, and I don't know if anybody's covered this. Yeah, man, I don't. Okay, so somebody messaged me. Let me see if I can find message, just so I can give cred where cred's due. Oh, you know what? I think it was somebody on Discord as well. Dang, I better be able to find this. So I got another kind of crazy deal, man. Nobody, I'm like 1000% sure nobody's really covered this too. Disney is coming. I feel it for sure, man, for sure. Dang, where is? Dang it, where did I can't remember who sent me. This is crazy. All right, so I'm gonna try to find it, man, right now, because this is crazy. How long will OMI drop to? We don't know, man. We don't know. That's up to the market to decide. As a trader, your job would be, you know, not financial advice. None of this is yada yada. This is educational or entertainment only, rather. You know, the market will decide, man. So it's on a downward trend. It's been on a downward trend for a hot minute. So it kind of depends on like the macroeconomics of everything, in my opinion. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's below. Look at this. Bitcoin's breaking below 50K. No bueno, man. That's no bueno. You don't want, you want psychological barriers like 50K. You want it to be above that. 50K is a flat level and like a round, perfect round numbers. And anytime you're in trading, you know that perfect round numbers, you want to be above the perfect round number, because when it dips below that, then the round number becomes hard resistant. So that's kind of a bummer, man. And it's already broke down 48K. That's why the market's reacting. Everybody's like, oh shoot, should I cash out of crypto, man, and put my money back into cash? Because cash isn't gonna go negative on, you know, I want to secure my gain, right? I want to secure my gain. So we could see a little bit of a panic sell off, and then that's when, you know, looking at the RSI, it's on the oversold on the chart. But with crypto, you can't really, there's not really RSI on the rational side of it. You know, it's not like a stock tick, a regular stock tick. You know, it's not like a regular stock tick. So back to the crazy leak. Actually, it's more like a puzzle piece. So I appreciate whoever sent this, by the way. So for those of you guys staying on, man, you're in for a little bit of a treat. So Okay, so actually, I'm not gonna have this screenshot, but we've all seen it, man. We've all seen it. It was... I don't know if I can find this screenshot anywhere. I'll try to search it though. But you guys know this, you guys know the tweet that David, or the screenshot that David did. He did a screenshot that was like playing for keeps, and I did a video about it. Or no, he said, what did he say? It was a screenshot, and the screenshot, and I think I can find this in Reddit probably. Play for keeps. Play for some user, some Instagram user messaged David, and David was like, yo, winner takes all, is what he said, because the person asked him. Let's try to search Reddit. It'll make a little bit more. No, I want to search the Reddit right. How do I search the Reddit, guys? You know how to do that? Oh well. So anyways, the screenshot on Instagram, that was a private message. All David said, it was they're under strict NDAs and he can't say anything. And then the Instagram user said, well, how big is it? Like what can we expect? And he said, winner takes all. So somebody sent me this link right here. This is a paperback Pokemon book from 2002. It says winner takes all. So I don't know if that's a coincidence or not, but I thought I'd bring it up too. And maybe I'm just reading into this stuff a little bit, but did you guys see that screenshot? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Yeah, Justin Hitoki says, yep, winner takes all equals Pokemon. All the hints keep me buying OMI on the dip. Exactly. No such thing as a crash, just a discount. Anyone having trouble with BitForex? Funds are frozen. And BitForex sometimes takes a while. Bonus dollars, welcome in, man. Yeah, exactly, on the price for sure, man. I'd say it all. Man, that's crazy, man. So another like Pokemon teasing, like they're just teasing us at this point about Pokemon left and right. We had Alcon, man, on LinkedIn, just like, you know, the beginning days of beta and how that's all it was with Pokemon in the beginning. So David, huge collector, he knows all the stuff, right? So that's crazy, man. Especially Pokemon. You know he's gonna know his stuff, man. You know he's gonna know his stuff. So I don't know if we can find it. I wish you could really search this. I don't know if you can search the Reddit. I hate how there's not like a convenient way to use. Guy. Google introduces AR characters. This is good news. You have Ultraman. Yo, this is what's crazy, man. That's the old Ultraman suit. You guys remember me doing a video about well, Cryptomaniac pointed this one out to me, but it was the T-Rex. You type in like T-Rex into Google and then you can actually do the AR mode with T-Rex. So now there's Ultraman. Crazy. So I'd imagine before too long, you know, Google Glass dropped their AR and their VR, I mean, glasses, and you're gonna be able to see. It's gonna be cool if they partner up with VeVe, and you're gonna be able to see your NFTs real time, like in chilling, you know, in your office or whatever, right? The T-Rex actually moves around too. I'm pretty sure if I remember right. Yo, there's my video. So let's go ahead and continue. We'll try to look for a second longer. David Yu confirm. What's that mean? Oh, he just said moon. Yeah, I was right around this where I think I saw one of the oh, here's me. My wife found the slushy corners, man, at Sonic, and I've been trying to find that for days, man, and I can't find them at Sonic. I've been trying to. I went to 5 different Sonics. Be able to find it. It's all buried. By the way, next week, look on the lookout for that event, man. That online digital event. That could be where the big news is dropped, man. Dan and David are both going to be there. Well, I guess I said it's a virtual event. I keep forgetting, but they're still going to be talking on it, man. That's going to be some cool things I think they're going to have to say, and I think it's going to be enjoyable, man. Alright, well, you guys get the idea, man. Maybe I'll find it tomorrow before tomorrow's stream for David. There's a screenshot with David on there, and he said winner takes all and Pokemon. So I'm not going to put too much more time into that. Guess I'll pick another couple million OMI for sure, man, for sure. Alright, guys. That's all I got. I don't want to continue to drag this out. I just remembered this, that somebody sent me this link yesterday. Winner takes all connection, and the Pokemon connection. It's gonna be funny if I'm gonna start seeing this stuff pop up on social media, Twitter and YouTube, and people are gonna be like, new leak lesson. I'm just tired, guys. All right, man. Well, that's it. That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, man. I just thought I'd hop on here, go over a little bit of the price action stuff, man. See what's going on. So we're back above 50K, man. That's good. You know, it could continue to go down. I don't know. I think we'll have to continue to monitor this as the night progresses. The Asian market's going to start waking up, man. I suspect they're going to buy the dip. You know, they're good for them because they're going to be in a good position to buy this dip. You know, so I don't know if we'll continue to see this go down as the Asian market's starting to wake up in the middle of the night and start buying on this dip, and then by the time, you know, the West starts waking up, we're gonna see, or America and all the other big markets wake up, maybe FOMO into it a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. That's kind of just a theory. That I say theory. This is what used to happen back in the day, man. Every single time, like I would stay up till like 2 or 3 in the morning trying to buy the dip because I knew the next day if I fell asleep and I woke up, that the buying opportunity, the dip opportunity, like literally it'd be gone. So it reminds me of days of old, right? The news didn't impact Asia or Europe. Yeah, exactly. So what news was that anyways? What's all the news? Is there some kind of news other than I think somebody said something about taxes earlier, but I don't know what news, you know. So hey, man, I appreciate it. Thanks for saying you enjoyed the stream, man. I appreciate you hopping in and chatting it up too. So appreciate that. Yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on this, and I'll get more information on the quote-unquote leak stuff, screenshots, and all that cool stuff, guys, for y'all. And back below, OMI, we'll check it one more time. Below 6 there, 0.006. Biden, the capital gains. Yeah, man. We're all gonna have to be expats and move to Puerto Rico. I'm just playing. But legit, that's back in the day. That's what they did in 2017, and the taxes were actually pretty decent, you know, in America. I mean, taxes are 39.6%. That's insane, man. That's a lot. That's because they're trying to, you know, kind of like push for, you know, go towards more the European model. I think, like, you know, where everything's kind of like socialized, subsidized, and that. Hey Kyle, so OMI did the Batman. What figure is doing now in the chart? Oh yeah, the Todd Batman. PUBG says, yeah, man, we got the Todd back there. Can we pull up a Todd picture? I don't know. I wish I had a cropped Todd picture. But we got Todd right here, man. Got the Todd Batman right here. I don't know how you draw the bat wing right here. The terrible Batman. Looks like a bow tie. Anyways, you got the Todd Batman. You know? You got his like cape, you know, covering his face. That's his cape, right? Cape. Wish I got the tax though. Then I made over $1 million. Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah, exactly. Go to Reddit and put in OMI V Batman chart. LOL. Oh gosh, man. Reddit. I couldn't like freaking search Reddit a second. I don't know why. I'll try that. Dang it, yeah, it just pulls this up. It's weird. Try one more time. What the heck? Why can't I search? Oh well, guys, that's a wrap tonight. We'll see what happens. Appreciate you, Batman. Hey, what's up, Lori, man? What's up? What's going on? Hope you're doing good. Batman, Purple Heart. Yeah, I'm about to wrap up the stream, so sorry for catching you late, but we talked about a lot, man. We talked about some leaks. We talked about winner takes all, Pokemon. PUBG really wants me to pull up this chart. Cracking me up, man. Cracking me. Batcoin, Batman chart, explain. That's an old one probably. We're gonna have to do Twitter. Please follow back on Twitter, Kyle. Hey, I will. Man, I should have put in like Todd Batman. There it is. There's another one. Somebody actually like rendered the Batman in the background, and like it was pretty funny, but pretty good side by side comparison. I don't know where the high quality one is, but that's pretty funny, man. He's doing a Todd right here, so you know we're bullish on it. That's what it is. It is what it is, right? All right, guys. Peace and love and VeVe, man. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the Twitter. By the way, we do have a huge Twitter deal coming up, man. You want to make sure you follow all these people. Staying Alpha is joining in. So we got some people doing that as well. So be on the lookout for 10 prizes in the contest, man. We got some big news. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be bigger than you guys think, man. I'm super bullish. Good night. Good night. Good night. Blessings to all, man. Appreciate you guys. For crypto, just bought a lot of OMI. Nice, nice. All right, guys. I gotta get out, man. Peace and love, man. Peace and love and VeVe. Art contest. Exactly, man. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be big, man. It's gonna be bigger than you guys think. All right, y'all.